let's see if we can try this again. I think we're rolling. Having a couple of technical difficulties. Okay, let's go ahead and get this started. Start by introducing myself. My name is Nicholas Cunty, otherwise known as Pips Overpass. I'm one of the junior traders at Keen Vision's Forex. And what I wanted to do today was actually just jump on one of these Zoom calls and kind of walk you guys how to be the most profitable, taking some of the alerts. Running through a couple of technical difficulties today, but the show must go on. So give me a few moments. I think my screen's showing, and we'll dive into a couple of things that you guys should be aware of to extract the most profits from this market. I'd like to thank everybody. First and foremost, I'd like to thank everybody for supporting the channel or joining the wave. There's currently 2 traders in the group right now sending out the signals. We're running about an 88% win rate, and I think we're right around anywhere from 400 to say 600-700 pips a week. So what we're going to do is trying to keep improving our performance to make sure that everyone is taking advantage or are winning right alongside of us. What I want to do is just kind of go over some of the bases of taking one of the alerts. See, we have actually 2 channels going. One of them is more for analysis and education. We do drop signals in there sporadically from time to time. I know Sniper Shot or Sana, he drops a lot of signals directly into the education group. If you guys aren't in the free alerts group, you should go ahead and join that. I'll send a link after we're done. We'll go ahead and just kind of dive in here and look at some of the things some of the signals we took today. We did have a AUD/USD sale. It actually hit the stop loss. We don't win every one of them, but what we aim for is probabilities. We haven't had a week where we don't come out blue in I think maybe 2-3 months now. So I got a couple of inboxes from people having a little issues with the signals. So I want to go through today and just make sure everybody's taking advantage or winning alongside of us. So if you notice on some of my alerts, once I do send out the alert, I usually leave the target open. That may be because usually I'm trading off of a higher time frame, say the 4-hour, sometimes a 1 hour, or maybe even a daily. So I do know there's usually a big run. So I leave it open, and I leave it for you guys' discretion. So, if you get in there and you're happy with 20 pips, take your 20 pips, take your profit. What we're trying to do is help you guys grow the accounts, allowing you to earn while you learn. And, you just have some room. So when you guys do dive in and start taking doing your own trading, you'll be a few steps ahead of the game. So for instance, AUD/JPY still an active alert. We have your stop loss there. We have the target open. What I recommend is after the alert or the signal has went anywhere from 20 to 30 pips in our direction, I recommend you guys move the stop loss down to break even. That way you'll have a risk-free trade, or you can also just take profit at that time. I do try to come back in the group and let you guys know, here is a good spot to take profit, or we're getting a reversal. What I would recommend is once I do that, look at your charts for that particular pair and kind of see what we're seeing, so you guys can get familiar with price action and what we're actually looking at. What I'll do today is I am going to go ahead and take a trade in a demo account. Just using this, we're going into Asian session, so there's not going to be much volatility or much movement. So say we got AUD/JPY, and I may go ahead and go into a brief explanation of some of the things I'm looking at, but we're going to have additional lives kind of going into, we're going to break it out in segments. So, we'll be going over some support and resistance trading, some price action. If you guys haven't took advantage of the new education platform, I strongly recommend you go ahead and get in touch with me. We do have an indicator system that we're using right now that's actually, sorry, I'm seeing IDJPY looks like it's starting to make a move, but we do have an indicator system that's giving us, I want to say anywhere from 85 to 95, or excuse me, 85 to 90% win rate. As long as you follow the steps posted in one of the previous videos that I shared with you guys. So I would recommend, or if you guys do want to take advantage of that, feel free to inbox me, or you can click on the link that I posted in the group. Let's see here. We got Adi. It even comes kind of looking at this indicator. It just gave me a signal. That's what I was looking at earlier. It's shooting off some sell signals. We got Adi strong right now. JPY, it has a strength indicator there. It does have turning points that's clearly marked. So at this point, based off of some of the rules that comes along with the indicator that we go over, it wouldn't be a trade currently. But I just want to show you guys that indicator. I am going to go ahead and take the trade because I sent out that alert earlier. And this may be a good place. Yeah, it looks like a good place to go ahead and take this trade. One thing I always want to remind you guys is do use risk management. So don't jump in there and use a leverage size or a lot size according to your account. Even me currently, I'm using a little higher of a lot size, which I shouldn't do, but it is on a demo account, so it'll be fine. I would recommend you guys stay within the parameters or what your account can handle. I am going to send off a little memo, or not a memo, a kind of little walkthrough to kind of explain, break down, like if you have $100, use a 0.01 up to 0.02, $200, use this amount. It kind of gives you guys a guideline on what to actually use as your lot size. Turn it up a little bit on this. I think this is going to be a good trade for us in this IDJPY. I was also looking at pretty much all the Audi pairs. I'm expecting them to pretty much drop. They have been on a big rise for the last few days, or excuse me, for the last day or so. So we're entering into a key level or a place of previous resistance. So we're expecting a drop. I'm hoping, or I'm looking for it to happen around Tokyo or Hong Kong session. So we'll go ahead and enter in those trades. Don't forget to always put in your stop loss or your protective order. And that would be how you would enter in one of our signals. Unfortunately, I don't have anything that was currently running, so I can show you guys exits. But like I was kind of explaining earlier, you just want to, once you do have the amount or you're satisfied with the profit, you will want to go ahead and take your profit. Don't get greedy. You have to remember that trading is 90% mental, 10% technical. So once you guys do have I would recommend maybe set a daily goal if you want to make $10, $20, $50, depending on your actual account size. Once you hit your actual goal, go ahead and stop trading. Don't take any more signals. Well, we'll get a little bit more in depth. I didn't want to make this video too long, so we'll go dive a little bit more in depth and how to allow the winners to run a lot longer, and just key techniques stretch out the profit or to maximize your profit. Once again, I'd like to thank you guys for joining the channel, for being a part of King Visions. We do have a Zoom call or a live kind of webinar going over some of the opportunities we have with the education platform. That education platform does give you guys access to binary option signals or alerts alongside premium Forex or high probability trade setups from us. Also, we do offer crypto mining and residual incomes, plus the PETS indicator that you guys have seen earlier. So it is a great opportunity to learn and earn with us. Once again, this has been Pips Over Pass. I appreciate you guys' time, and all you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.